Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Miss.
Are you hungry or sleepy?
Sleepy.
Me too. Before we start our class today, let's recite basmalah together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Right? I will check your attendance. Say present or raise your hand if you hear. Okay. Faisal,
Yes.
Najira, Novita.
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Before we start our material today, I would like to ask you. Okay. Try to think about the environment around you. Jadi coba pikirkan tentang lingkungan di sekitar kalian. Oke, siap? Have you ever seen a clean place? Clean place.
Yes.
Pernah kalian melihat tempat yang bersih?
Yes.
What place? Jadi tempat yang bersih. Oh, kayak
Masjid.
masjid. That's good. Sekarang pikirkan sebaliknya. Have you ever seen a dirty place? Jadi pernah nggak kalian? Ya pernah. What place? Okay. Your bedroom.
Oh my God.
Okay. Let's move to the picture. I have two pictures. Jadi saya punya dua gambar. Ada gambar satu dan gambar dua. What do you see in this? Okay, I will zoom this picture.
Yang atas itu aja.
What do you see in the picture?
Flower.
Oh yeah, house. Okay. So the pictures look like. Jadi gambar ini terlihat seperti apa?
Belum banget. Bersih.
Yang mana yang clean?
Yang atas.
Yang atas yang clean. Kalau gambar kedua, okay. How do you feel when you see the first pictures? Jadi gimana perasaan kalian ketika melihat gambar pertama? Happy. Terus apa lagi? Comfortable. And then enjoy. And then what do you feel when you see the second pictures?
It's like you.
Disgusting.
Yes.
Okay. And then I have a text and pictures. Let's read together. Let's read satu-satu dari mulai bersinar. Satu paragraf ya. Satu kalimat.
Our school has a beautiful garden.
Yeah.
It is located behind the main building.
There are many kinds of plants such as flowers, vegetables, and small trees.
Lanjut, Mas Wada.
Flowers.
The flowers.
make the garden colorful and smell nice.
Lanjut, Banin.
We also grow spinach, chili, and tomatoes in the garden.
Lanjut, next.
Every week, students take turns watering the plants and cleaning the area. teach us how to take care of the plates properly. We love spending time in the garden because it is fresh and relaxing.
Mas Robin?
This garden makes our school more beautiful.
Okay. What do you get from this text? Jadi apa yang kalian dapatkan dari teks ini? Dalam teks ini explain about atau membicarakan tentang apa sih? School garden. Maksudnya isinya itu tentang apa? Tentang karakteristik. Oh ya. Can you mention the characteristic of school garden from this text?
Located behind the building.
Okay.
There are many kinds of plants.
Smell nice.
Colorful.
Beautiful
And
garden.
very nice.
Nice.
Our school is beautiful.
Yeah.
Fresh.
Okay.
Relaxing.
Good. If you want to tell about the characteristic of something or people or place, you can use descriptive text. Jadi teks ini itu bisa disebut sebagai descriptive text karena dia mendeskripsikan tentang school garden. Descriptive text sendiri adalah text that describe about something, someone, or anything. Nah, dalam teks deskriptif itu ada apa ya? Kayak susunan penulisannya atau generic structure-nya. Nah, generic structure-nya itu consist of two parts. The first part is identification. The identification usually tell about the general information about the objects. Like this text is the identification is our school has a beautiful garden. It is located behind the main building because dalam teks ini itu yang sampai main building ini menjelaskan about general information about school garden. And the second part is about the descriptive. Descriptive is describe about the characteristic of the object. Like in this text, there are many kind of plant. This is the characteristic of the object kan? Okay. Selain itu, in the descriptive text, there is unsur kebahasaan. Jadi bahasa yang khas digunakan dalam teks itu. Seperti ini, di sini itu ada menggunakan simple present. Bisa kalian menemukan simple present di sini? Ya, ini kan simple present kan. Terus selain itu juga biasanya menggunakan adjective atau kata sifat. Mana nih kata sifatnya? Kalian bisa temukan? Beautiful, relaxing, and etc. Okay. Now let's move to the next text. Okay, let's read together. Okay, let's read bergantian. Ya, sekarang mulai dari Mbak Farida.
In my green color part is a beautiful part in my town. The park is calm and peaceful.
It has many colorful flowers planted neatly on the green grass.
A blue makes the view more relaxed.
Tall trees grow around the park, and the sunlight shines softly through the leaves. Some people walk and enjoy the fresh air. The park is clean, quiet, and a perfect place to relax.
Okay. Then I have some question. Okay. Saya akan menunjuk beberapa dari kalian yang akan menjawab tes ini. Jadi sekarang coba pikirkan jawabannya dulu ya. Okay. Now. Okay. The number one. Okay. Please read and answer the question. Mbak Nadia, tolong dijawab dan dibaca.
What is the name of the park in the text? Green Play Park.
Okay, good. The next, Mas Robin, silakan.
Where is Green Valley Park located? Green Valley Park is in my town.
In Alzora's town.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. The last question is will be read by Mbak Devi.
Why is the park a perfect place to relax? Because the park is clean, quiet, and perfect place.
Okay, good. And then I have a video. Please prepare a paper. Okay. Please write the information from this video. Jadi catat apa informasi dari video ini yang penting, informasi yang penting dari video ini. Okay. Can I start the video?
Yes, please.
The beach I love the most is a small, secluded stretch of sand nestled between two rocky cliffs. The water is crystal clear and a bright, tropical blue, and the sand is soft and white. As I walk down the path that leads to the beach, I am greeted by the sound of waves crashing against the shore. The salty ocean air fills my lungs, invigorating me and washing away all of my stress. I lay my towel on the sand and sink my toes into the warm grains. The sun beats down on my skin and I can feel it warms my skin. I close my eyes, letting out a contented sigh. As I lay on the beach, I watch the seagulls flying overhead and the dolphins playing in the distance. I listen to the sound of the calming waves. This is my happy place, and I feel completely at peace here. This is where I feel most alive, and it is a place I will always treasure.
Okay. What do you get from the video?
The beach.
Beach.
The beach? Because I love it more. Jadi, what is the characteristic of the beach?
Small.
Small. And then
The water small
Yeah.
is the water is crystal clear.
Okay, good. And then?
The between two places. And the seagull flying.
Yeah. Okay, good. Okay. Next, I have exercise. Please answer clearly and correctly. Okay. Answer the question. 5 minutes enough? Enough. Okay. Write your name and your class. Class C. D. 12. 8. Okay.
Basic.
Apa ada yang ingin ditanyakan? Have you ever done this?
Yes.
Okay. Please submit your exercise. To submit. Okay. Okay. Gampang nih, submit kali. Okay, that's all our material today. Maybe any question? Apakah ada yang ditanyakan dari materi kita hari ini? Kalau jadi, oke, silakan.
What is it? Teks, jenis teks apa tadi?
Descriptive text.
Language feature-nya apa sih tadi?
Using simple present tense dan using adjective.
Kata sifat yang
Iya, kata sifat. Apa aja tadi kata sifat?
fresh,
Peaceful.
nice,
Okay.
yes, we.
That's all our material today. Before we close our class, let's recite Alhamdulillah together.
Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin.
Thank you for your coming. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.